This is the elevator. These are the lobby elevators at the Lancaster Marriott, Penn Square, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. More Schindler 338s from 2009. Car number 6 and 7. These go from level E to level 3. Got number 6.
Thank you.
We got this one. Let's go to 3. What floor?
2, please.
2?
Yep.
And we're gonna go. I'm going up to 3.
Okay.
Door close button does not work. Installed in 2009. Here we go. I love the gold on these.
They're nice elevators for sure.
Oh man, I love the gold on these. 2 opens up over here.
Oh, all right. Well, thank you so much for your help.
There we go.
Have a good day.
You too. Like I said, very beautiful elevators. Get a full cab view on the way down. We'll get down the other one. Listen to this epic motor. That's a very epic motor. I'll go with E and switch. Very bumpy. Here we go. We'll go switch to the other one. Sounds like the other one just went up. Go ahead and get our cab view here. Beautiful elevators. HT regular, hands-free, 88 code compliant phone. Capacity 3500. 3500 on control panel. Car number 6. You going up?
Yes, thank you.
Got it?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Now I'll try to get number 7. I'm gonna try to get this one here now. Wait for number 6 to close up. There goes that one. And now we're gonna ride this one. And now we're gonna ride this one. Now we're gonna ride this one. Now we're gonna ride this one. Watch this lantern. Finally. Alright, finally this one's here. Already got our view, cab view, so we're gonna go up to 3. Let's watch this one. This is a cool indicator. This one's got an epic motor too. Oh wow, this one has an epic motor too. For your safety, please limit elevator occupancy to 2 people and 1 family at a time. Very beautiful. And these things are beautiful. E. Now I'll go to the 400A. Car number 7. Again, beautiful elevators. I love these things. Now, this hotel was the same option for the guest elevators. They're 18 floor Schindler 400As, also from 2009. Here are E. Going up. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You line up all the prices at once? Just group 1, next group 2. Okay, thank you.
There goes the end. That's it.